In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create campaigns in HubSpot step by step. Whether you're running marketing promotions, product launches, email sequences, or multi-channel strategies, setting up campaigns properly inside HubSpot helps you track performance, stay organized, and align your team. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to click, what to fill in, and how to launch your campaign the right way. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical HubSpot tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the home screen. From here, you'll be able to access all your marketing tools and assets. Now look for the Campaigns option in your navigation menu. Click on Campaigns to open the Campaigns dashboard. This is where you'll see all your existing campaigns, along with performance metrics if you've already created some. To create a brand new campaign, click on Create Campaign. HubSpot will give you two options. You can either start from scratch or choose a template. If you're new to campaign building or want a structured approach, templates can save time because they preload recommended assets and steps. If you prefer full control and want to build everything manually, choose Start from Scratch. After selecting your preferred option, click Next to move forward. Now you'll be taken to the campaign setup screen where you'll enter your campaign details. This part is very important because it defines how your campaign will be organized and tracked inside HubSpot. Start by typing in your campaign name. Make sure the name is clear and descriptive. For example, instead of naming it Spring, you could name it Spring 2026 Product Launch so your team immediately understands its purpose. Next, choose your campaign color. This might seem small, but color coding helps visually separate campaigns in your dashboard, especially if you're managing multiple initiatives at once. After that, select the campaign owner. This should be the person responsible for managing and reporting on the campaign. Assigning an owner improves accountability and makes collaboration easier across your marketing team. Now set your campaign's start and end dates. These dates are important because HubSpot uses them to track performance metrics within a defined time frame. Be realistic with your timeline and align it with your promotional schedule. You'll also see the option to define your campaign audience. This helps you clarify who the campaign is targeting, whether it's a specific lifecycle stage, industry segment, or buyer persona. While this doesn't automatically enroll contacts, it keeps your strategy aligned and documented within HubSpot. Once you've filled in all the required fields and reviewed the details, take a quick moment to double-check everything. Make sure the name is correct, the dates are accurate, and the owner is assigned properly. When you're ready, click Create, and just like that, your campaign is ready inside HubSpot. After creation, you can start attaching assets to your campaign, such as emails, landing pages, ads, blog posts, social posts, and workflows. This is where the real power of HubSpot campaigns comes in. By associating all related marketing assets with a single campaign, you'll be able to track overall performance, including traffic, leads, deals, and revenue influenced by that campaign. Creating campaigns the right way keeps your marketing organized, measurable, and scalable. It also gives you a clear overview of what's working and what needs improvement. That's it. You now know exactly how to create campaigns in HubSpot. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tutorials, marketing automation guides, and CRM tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.